of Agriculture, our host, Honorable Minister of Energy, the Chairman of the Board of NAWEC, Mr. Jawara, the Managing Director of the National Road Authority, the Chair of the PCU, contractors, senior officials of Ministry of Agriculture, consultants, and I guess some staff from the local office of the World Bank, I guess, and all other protocols. I duly observe them. Thank you so much, Honorable Minister of Agriculture, for inviting us to this very important occasion. As you know, we live in a country where we have more than 4,000 kilometers of deficit of road that we're supposed to do. And step by step, we are on a very strong march to meet the targets set by the government on an annual basis. Therefore, to have a partner that recognizes the importance of road as part of our infrastructure outlay is very important to the national development program that the government has put in place, and also our overall economic development trajectory. And we want to thank the Honorable Minister of Agriculture for prioritizing road infrastructure project within the overall agricultural development program. This is important for several reasons, but more importantly, that it enables farmers to access markets quickly, efficiently, and fastly. And we want to assure the Honorable Minister of our support and of our dedication to this project. 204 kilometers is a lot. And by design, we've been made to understand that the ministry will build up to first level for the ceiling. And we have taken that solemn pledge that as the ministry responsible for road infrastructure projects, we will work with partners and the government to see that where the Ministry of Agriculture has stopped, we can also come in and do the double surface so that these roads will meet our national development standards that we have put in place. The fact that we are going to do that, I want to urge the contractors, you all know us, that since the NRA and our ministry will be working with the Ministry of Agriculture, the base has to be strong, and there is not going to be any compromise over that. The budget that has been provided by the Ministry of Agriculture so graciously is that you build a strong base, then you build the first layer. Then we will come in and put the second layer to make sure that these roads are durable in these agricultural areas to a minimum of 40 years. So this is a very good initiative by the Honorable Minister of Agriculture and his team, and we want to thank the World Bank for this foresight, because what we have seen over the years was that they were building laterite feeder roads, and within the life cycle of any project, those feeder roads will start developing problems. So now that you are going to do the ceiling up to first level base, then I think this is a huge leap from where we were before. And I want to assure that government, through the Ministry of Finance, is ready to stand with you, because we have had a meeting with the Minister of Finance just 2 weeks ago, and he is ready to support this and to ensure that these roads are made very strong and durable. Secondly, as you also know, government has taken a giant step in ensuring that we put agriculture linked with infrastructure as part of our development initiatives. Therefore, what we are seeing here and what we are hearing that the Ministry of Agriculture is going to come up with other road projects can only reduce the deficit that we have nationally. Very soon we will also start 570 kilometers of studies for road construction in the coming months. So basically what is available locally is beyond the target that we have set for ourselves as a country. The 200 kilometers, the 200 plus kilometers and the 570 that we are coming to do concrete in the books, that is over 700 kilometers. And we are very hopeful that the World Bank coming next week will also finalize certain operational issues with us to sign the feasibility studies for the 500 kilometers of roads, but they will commit to do 150 kilometers of roads nationwide. So in essence, we are talking about almost 950 kilometers of roads that will be done within the next few years. This is huge. This is unprecedented, and if it is happening in any other country in the region here, is very few. So let us all work together. It's one government, one country, but also we tax the contractors to live up to expectations, because this is going to be your reference. If you do well here, the 900 plus kilometers of roads that we are talking about, you may be one of the lucky contractors that may be contracted to do some of those roads. So it is important that all of you take your job seriously. The consultants, some of you, we are familiar with you. We hope that you will work amicably with the National Road Authority. We now have a lot of standard procedures in place now. There should be no excuse for default in this contract, because this is a fully funded project. There is no problem of funding. There should be no problem of delay, and the consultants should not accept any delay from any contractor. I think this is a very important project for the government. If we do it well, it is likely that the World Bank or other partners can come in and support the government more. If we fail in our responsibilities and the contractors fail to deliver on time and with the quality that is needed, then it may hamper our opportunity with the bank or other funders. So, Honorable Minister of Agriculture, knowing him, I want to assure that these works will be done with speed and according to standard. Thank you.